Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems or issues that you have on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger and it's not available right now, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Messenger. We'll find it here. Then we click for stop. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.